Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus.
There you go.
Hippopotamus.
Need another bite?
Kylie, can you say aluminum?
Say aluminum. That's actually pretty close. Say hippopotamus. Rhinoceros.
Hippo.
A rhinoceros. Say elephant. Can you say elephant? Elephant.
You can do better than that.
Can you say lion? Tiger. Dog. Cat. Bat. Puppy.
My puppy.
Kitty.
My puppy. Kitty.
Do you have kitties on, Kylie?
Where's kitties?
I see a belly.
I see your belly. Can you just bite?
Kylie, put your shirt down like a big girl.
Eat. Take the bite from Grandma.
Good girl.
Yummy applesauce. Applesauce.
Mmm.
Applesauce.